Take a ride in the 2014 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.